Krishna, my lord.
Bindoyo,
My lord, on 12/7/2025, your lordship held that service to the respondent, despite repeatedly done by my party, has held sufficient. So lordship may take it up for hearing, my lord.
Yes.
Page number 11, the impugned order. Had been granted maintenance to the tune of rupees 10,000 per month. I had claimed 2,50,000. 17 is the operative portion.
Why you require 2,50,000 per month?
My lord, I suffer from knee
the-
joint displacement.
Show your statement of assets and liabilities. What are the expenditures?
Page number 90, my lord.
Page number?
90.
Yes.
In terms of the detailed expenses, your lordship had asked me to file an affidavit. It has been filed, my lord. In terms of dated 4/8/2025.
Husband says his income is 90,000 per month. Wife says I want a house rent of 45,000.
My lord, they have not disclosed their entirety of
What
the.
is to be done now?
I'll just make two submissions.
Also not filed the full assets, statement of assets and
I placed an
liabilities.
affidavit before this court, my lord.
Whatever it is, now considering the income at 90,000, only this court can grant maintenance.
My lord, 10,000 is on the lower end of
And
this.
please
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
what the court is saying. I said considering 90,000 as his income, court can consider the maintenance. That's what I'm saying.
Please, my lord, please.
Please come. Agreed with the order passed in I number 2 and MC number 249 of 2019 dated 15 December 2023. The wife is before this court seeking enhancement of the maintenance amount. Parties are referred to as wife and husband for the sake of convenience. Who filed the MC?
I filed the MC. ma'am.
Wife had filed the
Wife.
MC seeking divorce. In that, she filed an IA under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, seeking interim maintenance of rupees 2,50,000. It's a case of the wife that the husband is a BE graduate and he has his own fabrication industry. He also has interior designing business. He's having several properties in and around Chennai and also one flat worth rupees 2 crores at Udupi. He has agriculture lands. Further, four-wheelers and two-wheelers, and his income is 10 lakhs per month. The respondent has filed his objections. It is stated that He's earning rupees 70,000 per month as his salary. Apart from salary, he does not have any other income. And he's paying EMI of an amount of rupees 60,000. The court, by order impugned, when he said 70,000, why the court is saying it is 90,000?
No, 70,000 he states is his expenses.
No. Come to the earning rupees 70,000 per month.
My lord, in his assets and liabilities, page number 97. General monthly expenses of the respondent. He claims that is 70,000.
I am saying, I'm asking about the income. Where do you get that? In which page?
In his affidavit,
Page number?
page number 98.
Monthly income 90,000. No,
100, my lord. Monthly income,
90,000, not
90,000.
70,000. The court, by order impugned, had granted maintenance of 10,000. The court has observed that the affidavit of assets and liabilities filed by the petitioner, filed by the wife, discloses that she is undergraduate, suffering from lumbar disc disease, migraine, etc. According to her, she is a homemaker and do not have independent source of income. Though it is stated that he is owning a partner in Vishal Glazes Private Limited, but no such evidence is brought on record. And according to the husband, his salary is 90,000 per month. The court observes that the wife has not produced any document to show that the husband is the owner of Vishal Group of companies. Further, there are no material to establish that the husband is the owner of the joint family properties. Immediately, husband has borrowed the home loan and purchased an apartment. Considering all this, the court has granted 10,000 as maintenance. When counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the husband has come before the court with suppression of material facts. All the facts are not disclosed before the court. As he owns four-wheelers, that itself shows the financial capacity of the husband. She is suffering with several ailments and she is not qualified, and she has no source of income. The amount of rupees 10,000 that is awarded by the court is not just and reasonable. This court on 2/7/2025, this court has passed an order that as per the post treasurer, notice the respondent has returned as unclaimed amounts to deemed service of notice. Having heard the land counsel for the petitioner peruse entire material on record, the expenditure as placed by the petitioner before this court, stating that she requires 2,50,000, and she has given a huge list of 45,000 rent and other expenditure. As per the evidence available on record, the husband's salary is 90,000. When a husband's salary is 90,000, question of granting 45,000 towards rental expenses will not arise. Though so many things are stated, as rightly observed by the family court, nothing has been proved by no material is placed to substantiate the contention that his income is 10 lakhs per month. In these circumstances, considering the salary of 90,000 of the husband, this court deems it appropriate to grant an amount of rupees 22,000 as maintenance Accordingly, the order dated so and so is modified and the amount of maintenance of 10,000 that is granted is enhanced to 22,000.
May be stated from the date of application, my lord.
And the same has to be filed from the date of application. Yes.
Serial number 4, Arun Govindraj for petitioner, Geeta Menon.
Respondent.